guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing our cake tasting here on YouTube with you guys, because we were supposed to go to the actual bakery, but with the whole COVID-19 they actually sent us our cake here at home. Why are you rubbing your hands together?
I'm ready to taste it at home.
So they sent us some sample of cake for us to taste, and they let them know we did already design our cake already. So we sent them a picture, they sent us a sketch. I'll pop it up in here somewhere. So I was kind of going for this whole like elegant but I don't know, grassy, flowery vibe. And so I did the outside of the cake. He gets to choose the inside of the cake. He kind of already has his mind made up, but we're hoping something in this box,
I guess we'll find out,
is gonna change his mind. So this is the cute little box our cake comes in. It might be a quick video because the kids are outside. We don't know how long that's gonna last. I got some plates. I don't know if we need these. Why you grab it like you're like, I don't need this. Oh, here's a fork for you.
Thank you.
So our wedding colors is ivory and rose gold and blush. So that's why we got the rose gold silverware. So they have a note and it says the cake, what's in here, it's classic wedding, classic birthday, banana foster, cinnamon roll, and wedding luxe. Okay.
I'm not sure about the banana.
And the cake, the cake company is called Cake Conspiracy. I think it's located in either Conroe. I know it's closer to the venue, so I'll leave all that down below. Oh wow, they're like legit pieces of cake. Like I thought it was gonna be like little small samples. Got a block for you. Hold on, let me move this box. Oh, they're cold and everything. Wait, which one is which? Okay. This is the cinnamon roll, because it has cinnamon. I think this is the banana foster. I don't know about that one yet. What is this? I think this might be like a classic wedding or something. Why did they put labels on these?
That's the...
This might be classic wedding or birthday. Wait, something is birthday. This is cinnamon. This is cinnamon roll.
So that means that's the classic.
This must be classic something, either birthday or wedding. Might be birthday, right? Because wedding usually have like the fruit filled.
No, I'm not eating.
I know this is banana foster. This is... We don't even know, y'all. We don't even know. So we finna guess. Okay. What if they had them in order and I just mixed up the order? Okay, so let's guess. Classic wedding. Well, I'm choosing this one's classic wedding, right? Because wedding always have like fruit stuff. Classic birthday, I'm assuming is this. Or no, this, right?
I don't even know what this...
This is like a chocolate something. Banana foster, cinnamon roll, and wedding luxe. Maybe this is the wedding luxe. I'm going like this. Bam. That's what, I don't even know if y'all can see that, but that's what we're doing. All right, so let's try the classic wedding. I guess we do need plates, huh? It's all wrapped tightly. So we going, in our heads, as we taste it, you're gonna give it like a 1 out of 10, 1 being gross, 10 being like excellent. And then I'm gonna say that because we don't know. And then we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, you're gonna say what you decide it was like, you know. How much are you gonna eat?
I thought
I was gonna get like a little piece, like this boy here. That's raspberry. Okay, you ready? You got it in your head? One. Oh, you gotta taste another piece?
Yeah.
Just eat that whole little thing. You think you got it? Oh my God, Greg, come on before they come inside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 8.
6.
What? A 6? A 6? Bro, that is good. What? I don't care. That's good. Now, see, if we do the funfetti, we can still do funfetti and keep this. So it's a compromise. That's good. I'm gonna finish that later. I don't know about the rest of these. Okay, so let's go into the next. The kids coming in and out. Get a grab paper towel so we can. We're assuming this one is classic birthday. It has like a vanilla with a chocolate frosting. It's really simple. I don't think I'm gonna like this because I don't eat chocolate stuff, but why I got a big piece? That tastes like some birthday stuff. It tastes like a Neapolitan.
I don't know how it's no.
If it had the strawberry, this tastes like the Neapolitan stuff, the chocolate that be in the Neapolitan. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
7.
What? What did you say?
What?
What did you say?
7.
Ew. I don't like that. I don't do chocolate stuff. Like icing and baby, no. You want the last one? A 7 though. I said 4. Okay.
You should have tasted the banana one first so I can give it 2 thumbs down.
What? Banana Foster may be good. What are you talking about? I'm gonna clean the plate because I don't want nothing messing up this banana flavor here. Banana Foster. I'm excited for this. I've always heard about this. Never tried it.
Banana Foster.
You didn't rip the plastic. Now we can't put it back in its own little. Well, I don't know what kind of plastic wrap this is, but I'm gonna need some because my plastic wrap never do this. I'm gonna just leave it, you know. You ready?
No.
It's gonna be good. You gotta get you gotta get some bananas, you gotta get the icing and the cake. That's a small piece. How you supposed to taste it? That's what you were gonna do when we was at the place. Smell like bananas. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. I would have given it a higher number if it wasn't for the bananas. I don't like that mushy, that texture of the bananas. But it tastes like the cake and the icing itself. I thought the cake and the icing tastes good. The bananas got me.
Threw everything off.
The bananas threw everything off? Yeah, because they were too. I think if it was like freshly done, like right after they made it, it probably would have been good because the bananas wouldn't have been like soggy. Yeah, that's a 4 for me, dog. The next one is cinnamon roll. That banana is.
This is about to be a 10.
It looks nice. Like it's cut real pretty and everything. Like it looks smooth. Like it looks like it's gonna hold up well. How they be making cakes like this? Because when I be making cake, they be all falling apart. Hold on, dang, hold on. First off, Greg, chill. Dang. It's crumbly.
Is that cheesecake?
No, that's cream cheese.
Well,
Yeah. Cream cheese, you make cheesecake out of cream cheese.
I think I'm ready for mine.
Okay. Oh shit. I'm confused now. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
8.5.
I was gonna say 8.5 too. Look at us. I was gonna say 8.5 too. At first, the cake was just like a cinnamon cake, but that cream cheese though, right? It's the cream cheese, huh? And you wanted funfetti.
I still do.
So you wouldn't choose none of these? Babe, seriously? The final and last cake is, we're assuming the Wedding Luxe cake, because it has like a chocolate ganache and some berry filling with the icing. That's what it look like. And when I think Luxe, I think of like the total package. So it has like cake, icing, filling, and a ganache. So I wonder if I'm right. Because I have to email them. Sorry, I just have to smell it. Okay. You ready? No. It looked like they soaked it in like a simple syrup too, because that's what that is. You gotta go underneath it because you gotta get the. All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. 2. I only gave it a 2 because it had potential. That chocolate is too sweet.
Yeah.
It's way too sweet, way too chocolatey. I can't do.
I think I need to try the cinnamon one more time.
You can just have it.
Cause that one may be.
Okay.
Maybe a one.
Overall, which cake would you choose? I mean, Greg wants funfetti. Oh, I'm checking the camera. Greg wants funfetti cake. I don't mind because I don't really care as long as we get the different icing. Like, I don't want funfetti cake with vanilla icing. Like, we can do like cream cheese icing or something. But I don't care. But we have like 5 options of great cakes. I mean, 2 of them weren't.
Time out. Great cakes.
Okay.
Great options.
2. The Wedding Lux was 2. Cinnamon roll we said like 8.5. The banana foster I said 4. What did you say again?
I think I said a 3.
3. Yeah, it's 4. I said 4. This one I said.
I think I said 8.
And I think I said like a 7 or a 6 because I don't really do chocolate. And then this one was I think an 8 for me too. But I would choose the classic wedding. So you have to pick one though. We can't have like all different flavors.
I just picked one.
So you want cinnamon roll?
I mean, over these, yeah.
We can't do this with the funfetti. I like this one. It had the raspberry. You gotta taste it again, huh? It had the raspberry feel, and I don't know what kind of icing this is. It's like some type of buttercream. This one was to me by far the best. The classic wedding. Okay, hold on. It's a classic for a reason because it do taste like somebody else's wedding cake.
It tastes like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich without the peanut butter.
But you like peanut butter and jelly though. And we could do peanut butter icing.
But if it doesn't have peanut butter, it's pointless.
But we can do. Okay. I vote cinnamon roll.
Oh, okay.
No, so we gonna do cinnamon roll for real?
I have to taste cinnamon roll and mix some funfetti to see which one.
No. Are you serious? So I have to make a funfetti cake.
Not a whole cake. You can make a little piece.
I can't make a little piece. I have to make the whole pan.
You don't have to make a whole.
Yes. You gotta choose, bro. You know what funfetti tastes like. It's vanilla. How about you just taste the vanilla of this cake and put some sprinkles on there?
Let's do it.
Bro, the sprinkles don't even be in the cake. It melts and turns into color. So it's like you eating double sugar.
The look is very elegant.
Childish.
Elegant.
But it's our wedding. I vote cinnamon roll.
Tough decision. Tough decision.
I vote cinnamon roll.
I vote cinnamon roll out of all these, yeah.
Yeah, so that's where our wedding cake is. We have a winner.
No, we don't.
Okay, so out of all 5 pieces, we decided that we both agreed on the cinnamon roll cake. If that's going to be our wedding cake, we're not 100% sure because somebody.
You're 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure.
Someone has an idea.
Let me taste one more.
Oh my
I gotta
gosh.
taste this one more.
That cream cheese icing, it does something. It's like you hit the cinnamon and all the spices and then bam. The only thing that's missing, if they would have put like, you know, in the cinnamon roll how it has that gooey stuff, that gooey cinnamon stuff, if that was in there, legit. I like that. Are you gonna, hold on, don't eat it all. All right guys, so that was our wedding cake tasting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We've decided that we both love the cinnamon roll cake. So you think that's gonna be our wedding cake? Yeah, so we finally figured out the flavor and we have the outside of the cake, so I'm really excited about our
Since you chose this one now, I can choose the outside of the cake now, right?
No, I didn't choose this one, you did.
No, you did.
I like this one.
You made me decide to change my mind.
Greg, the cake changed your mind. I said decide, I don't even, okay, if you want funfetti, I can ask
I also want to do the outside.
No, there's no way. It's already done. They already sent me the sketch and everything.
Just because it's a sketch.
It doesn't matter. You are not. No. No, we're not. But as far as these 5 flavors, we decided on the cinnamon roll flavor. And yeah, I'm happy with his decision.
And I'm doing the outside. Oh,
he's not. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay guys, since you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.